Bronchitis is an inflammation of the airways that carry air to your lungs. The disease can cause dry or wet cough which may go on for a while. Treating bronchitis with conventional medications will only increase the resistance of the pathogens to antibiotics, which is why we recommend treating the disease with natural remedies. Here's a recipe which can treat bronchitis quickly. Ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of scrambled egg yolk. Boil a cup of milk, then let it cool down and add a tablespoon of butter and honey each. Next, stir the mixture well and add a cup of scrambled egg yolk and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Take the remedy before going to bed for 5 days for best results. This remedy will help you eliminate coughs, bronchitis, laryngitis and tracheitis.